Welcome to Berlin. This is City Tour Reel of Berlin. So let's go. We're gonna start off with the Brandenburg Gate. This is one of the most famous landmarks in Berlin, and it's also one of the oldest. The gate was built in 1791 and it was used as the main entrance to the city of Berlin. Today, it's a symbol of freedom and unity. We are gonna walk down the street a little bit and we are gonna see the Reichstag. This is the German Parliament building and it's one of the most iconic landmarks in Berlin. The dome of the building is open to the public and you can climb to the top for a panoramic view of the city. Next, we're going to visit the East Side Gallery. This is a preserved section of the Berlin Wall and it is covered in colorful murals and graffiti art. It's a really beautiful and moving sight. We're gonna walk a little bit more and we're gonna see the TV Tower. This is the tallest building in Berlin and it was built in 1969. You can go to the top of the tower for a 360-degree view of the city. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of Berlin. I really hope that you get the chance to visit this amazing city. Please comment and share this video to your friends.